Since its formation in 1999, the company has been involved in various activities, all in some way related to vehicle manufacturing. The current operation of constructing the interior of motorhomes started in the early 2010s, with the first Biesse machines being put into operation in 2012. The Hungarian distributor for Biesse, Formance, actively participated in selecting the appropriate woodworking technology and launching production. The current machinery has been in operation since 2020. The foundation of production includes 2 5-axis nesting CNC machining centers and 2 Stream A PUR edge banding machines. The furniture for motorhomes consists of many curved components, which are drawn in Biesse's proprietary software, Solid. The software then optimally arranges these elements on the boards to be processed, minimizing waste and ensuring the most efficient production. For the future of the business, selecting the right and efficient technology is crucial, and Biesse is considered a key partner in this regard.